Alright, so we're starting today, right, with a Colourpop delivery. I can't actually remember what I ordered. Oh, that's right, I got some of the Jelly Matte shadows. Oh, that's right, I got some new makeup brushes. So I've got a whole selection of brushes. I've got the Perception palette. I have to go to work in a minute, so I haven't even got time to play with all these, but we'll have a quick open and have a look. So Perception. Oh, look at that. Look at those colours. Oh my god, they're gorgeous. I got some setting powder. And then I got hello Max. I got 3 of their new Jelly Matte shadows to try as well. There's a cat getting in the box. Max. So I got Jelly Matte. I got Half Moon, Ventura and Bungalow. So I'm going to open one and see what they feel like. And Colourpop sent me a cat bed too. I love the holographic logo on there. Keep me. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's amazing. Look at that colour. Oh, that's super pretty. Max, what are you doing? Oh, what did I get? I got Ultra Matte Lip in Clueless, which is, I think it's a pink. Oh, nice. And then I got liquid lipstick in Arriba. Now, I know Kimmy's got this colour and I've been eyeing it up for ages, so I got Arriba as well, which is a beautiful red. So I think I might put Clueless on for work today. Are you comfy? I'm on my way to the National Portrait Gallery for the Lifeline Canberra Women of Spirit Awards. So I was honoured to be a finalist in the Rising Women of Spirit Awards last year. And this year, my friend Brie, who you would have seen in my vlogs, is a finalist in the Rising Women of Spirits. And Nip from Gigi's Flowers, who is an amazing woman, is a finalist in the Women of Spirit Awards. So I'm really keeping my fingers crossed that they win, although it's not really about winning, it's about just honouring amazing women who have overcome crap things to go on and do really amazing things. So can't wait to hear everyone's stories today.
So honoured and just so special, and I can't quite believe it. I feel like a total imposter.
You're not a million times not.
I'm loving it. It's just a beautiful vibe and so happy and excited to be here. Thank you to the beautiful Sheena who nominated me. It's amazing.
There's so many amazing people here today, and yeah, I can't wait to hear everyone's stories, because there's so many stories that you hear here, and so many people doing amazing things that you don't know about until you come to events like this and hear their stories. So it's going to be an amazing lunch.
It's going to be a teary day.
It is going to be a teary day.
I wish I wore the waterproof mascara now.
Oh.
women of spirit is clashing.
I'm extremely pleased to give the award this year for the 2018 Women of Spirit to a very deserving woman, and amongst a group of wonderfully deserving women, but I'm very pleased to announce Yvonne Anthony.
I just got home from the Lifeline Canberra lunch, which was amazing, and there was another parcel for me, so I've gone a bit makeup crazy recently. This delivery is the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Wait till you see what's in here. If I can open it with one hand. Check out these colours. Oh my god, look at them. I've been watching some videos on YouTube of people using this palette, and they look like they're so vivid and so pigmented. So I cannot wait to try this one out as well. So the fabric company that I use for all the really gorgeous satin that I use to line my dresses and for corsets is closing down at the end of the year. And they put the satin that I use on sale. So I did a massive bulk order and stocked up. I had to get a loan to just be able to get it all. And I've just had it all delivered. This is 230 meters of satin ready for me to stash for future orders so I don't miss out, and so I don't have to change stuff on the website, which would cost me money as well. So I think I've got every colour that I need, and hopefully it'll last me a little while I look for a new supplier. It's Saturday and it's a crazy busy day today. I've already seen one client this morning. Now I've got another client who's coming to pick up this spotty dress, and we're going to film it too. So this is my friend Frances, who is a comedian here in Canberra, and this dress that I've just made her is for a new act and character that she's just created. So I think she's going to get into character when she gets here, and we're going to film, so give you a little sneak peek of what I've made and what she's up to as well. She's a super talented, funny, amazing lady. She hosted the launch of the Just Be Revolution for us, and I love her to bits, so I'm really excited to see this new character. So I'm going to get set up quickly with backdrop and lights, and then we'll do a quick bit of filming when she's in her dress. And then after Frances has been, I've got five models in for fittings for Sweet Charity this afternoon. So it's going to give me a chance to start working out who's wearing what for that, because it's only 2 weeks till Sweet Charity now. And then work out all the sewing and alterations and headpieces I've still got to do to pull my fashion show together for that. So I'll put links to Frances's social media down in the description, so you can go and see more about her and where she's performing next. And I'll put links to Sweet Charity tickets as well, because there's still tickets left if you want to come and join us for that at the Abbey in Gold Creek on the 16th of September. Oh, I feel tiny.
Yeah, I have the effect on people. Yeah.
So this is my friend Frances, who today is here as her alter ego.
Today I'm Candida the Clown. Hi, how are ya?
So we've just created this polka dot 50s inspired dress to complete this look for Candida. And this wig, I'm so obsessed with this wig.
It's real big. I like being real big.
I feel real small.
Yeah, yeah.
So we have pockets, of course. And you're ready to hit the stage.
I'm ready.
You're ready to hit the stage.
I'm absolutely ready.
Oh, I'm so excited. I'll put links in the description to all of Frances's social media, all her alter egos and characters and shows.
There's so many now. There's more than me. It's real bad.
You forget who you are.
Yeah. There's a lot of voices in there. Yeah.
I love it. I'm going to step out and introduce you to Candida the Clown.
Well, hi, my name is Candida the Clown, and I am a clown college dropout. 2011, never finished. Used to date Pennywise, went real bad. All right, here we go. I'm going to do some spinning so you can check out this entire thing. Are you ready? All right. Oh, yeah. Oh, absolutely. I'm going to do a quick spin. Oh, I feel like a sexier version of Marilyn Monroe. I love it. It's very good. Thank you so much.
So yesterday afternoon, after Frances left from collecting her dress, was really busy. I had 5 of my models come in for Sweet Charity for fittings, so sorted them out with everything they're wearing, made a list of all the things I've got to do for their outfits. I've got more people in tomorrow night. My hair's such a mess today. Really windswept. I'm not sure it's even windy. Yeah, so I had 5 models in, did all their fittings, worked out what we're going to do. Then today it was Father's Day, so I've been out doing things with my husband and my daughter all day. And now I think it's about 5 o'clock, and I'm just going to finish. I've almost finished filming this skirt to bag transformation video. So I've just got to sew the sides and the bottom and film that, and then I'm going to do a super quick edit and get the video up, because it's been ages since I've uploaded anything other than a vlog. So super fast sewing and finishing. Yeah, and I should have this up tonight, which I'm excited about.